Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create an ink bleed text effect in Affinity. So let's get into it. I've got my canvas ready and I'm gonna add some text. I'll pick the artistic text tool and type great idea. I'll select all and change the font. You can use any font you like. I'll change the font style to black and click Align Center. Next, I'll grab the Move tool and drag the text to the center. And there we go, our text is ready. Now I'll start applying some filters and adjustments to the layer. First up, I'll click Filters and select Gaussian Blur. Then change the radius. 10 pixel works great. Then I'll select the text layer again, head back to Filters, and select Ripple. I'll adjust the intensity. Five is fine. Next, I'll select the layer again, head to Adjustments, and select Curves. I'll switch Master to Alpha and slide this point to the left. And I'll click Close. Now let me drag the curves adjustment below the text layer. And if it goes to the very bottom, below the other filters, you can see the curves adjustment has disappeared. To bring it back, I need to drag it upward and place it above the other filters. And there it is, the effect is back. So up until this point, our ink bleed text effect is actually done. However, an ink bleed effect works best when combined with a paper background. So let's take it a step further. I'll go to the stock panel and search for paper texture. Let's find one that works. This one looks great. I'll drag it onto the canvas, go to the layers panel, drag it to the bottom, and rename it to background. Let's zoom out a bit and scale down the background layer. Now the text doesn't seem to blend well with the background. So let's work on that. I'll select the text layer, go to Filters, and select Diffuse. I'll move the intensity slider up just a little. That looks good. I'll click Close. Then I'll go to Filters once more and select Add Noise. I'll slide the intensity up to about here. Click Close. And that's it. Our ink bleed text effect is complete. And the good thing is, the text is editable, so you can change it to any text you like. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, leave a comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and bye.